Wafels der Stuk Vilnius is a revolutionary new running shoe that brings together the best Dutch engineering and much better German engineering, made with the most environmentally friendly paper and cool. The Stuk Vilnius is sure to make feet stronger and make you look like a very cool person. Don't just take it from me, listen to the professional scientist and athlete.
Hey, I'm Groot de Jong, your #1 Dutch runner. Before I started using Der Stuk Vilnius, I was lost, tulip growing and damaged polder. The Der Stuk Vilnius helped me run like windmill spin on windy day.
Ich bin der kleine Fichtel vom Zaun.
Even faster than Usain Bolt!
Wir Leute gebrauchen unser Leben ist bedroht. Hilft uns niemand, droht uns Not. Und ihr Menschen werdet nie mehr glücklich sein. La, 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 la. Ihr lieben Menschenkinder, nun hört mal her. Ihr macht dem kleinen Fichtel das Leben schwer. Achtet stets auf Umweltschutz, sonst gehen wir kaputt vom Schmutz. Und die Mutter Erde gibt es bald nicht mehr. La 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 la. La 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 la.
My name is Dr. Kat van Hooft and I'm the #1 Dutch scientist in the field of runningology, and there's it's clinically loosen your gluteus muscles as well as provide excellent toe support. The Der Stuk Vilnius also releases your spiritual energy and allows you to grow your mind and body while running. The Der Stuk Vilnius is truly an emotional experience. The Der Stuk Vilnius is also made with 13 unique herbs and spices. Active Sturkis, Kurma, Lust, Bodge, Rahad, Mierda, Kwa, Parto, Pupu, Kakulti, Rupa, and Otter. These are herbs power your mind and spirit to help you run like windmill spin on windy day.